Well, I can't just leave things alone, so I've decided that I'm going to rebuild my Armattan. Right, the sort of person I am, now the range on my Armattan is quite limited. It should be a lot longer, and I reckon 50%, in fact probably more, of the problem is where this antenna is actually mounted. You can see my ground plane, how easy it is to just put that ground plane on there. But I want this for a long range one now because I just love it. I absolutely love it. Now the first thing is this isn't the securest of mountings, and it's also, there's a pigtail that runs up to the front here, which is going to cause a lot of loss. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my EZUHF Diversity one on the back. The current sensors on the back, which is going to cause interference as well, so I'm going to move that into the middle and see what it comes up with. I've been around trying to find a new site because the place I go is it's getting a bit too crowded. But I found in the middle of bloody nowhere, I found this. Sorry about the wind noise, it is quite, there's like 15-mile-an-hour winds today, but there's just nothing. There's nothing anywhere. There's a few people around, but they're all sticking on the paths, so if I stay off the paths, absolutely fantastic, the distance there. Anyway, so I've got my chair, I've got my box, I've got my radio, I've got my JR module, I've got my antenna, I've got my quad in my bag, I've got everything. I'm going flying. See on here now, I've put the GPS up the back. Basically I've rewired absolutely everything. So, and unfortunately there is nowhere around here that I can actually take off from. So it's going to have to be a hand launch and hopefully a hand land as well. And it won't be a crash. So I'm going flying. Oh f***ing hell, I've done it again, haven't I? I've driven, it's about, I don't know, about 20 mile away from home, and I've left me f***ing goggles at home, haven't I? What a tosser. Right, I'm back again. Got my quad, got my chair, got my transmitter, got my JR module, got my antenna, got my goggles, I've even remembered my bollocks. Oh, and there's a piece of dog shit there just to keep me company. So anyway, I'm going to try again. I've got to get a flight in round here if nothing. Bloody hell, I'm knackered. I've got these basically they're stick-on things. When your batteries, when the battery's been used, you just flick it over like that. So if you flick it over before you actually put it on, you know, because I keep forgetting to actually flick it over when I've landed, and I end up with a box full of dead batteries. Anyway. Yeah, baby. Ooh. Sorry. Well, I'm very happy with the way it's gone. Putting the receiver on the back and the diversity, although I had a couple of null points, sort of dead spots down there. I think it was below because I was actually below myself. I was only on low power anyway. And also having the camera, the video transmitter up the front gives you a lot of separation. So I'm very pleased with the way it's gone. I don't know how far I went. Probably not that far actually. I need to put the distance thing on the OSD. See how far away I am from home. Anyway, when I picked it up and said, "Yeah, baby," there was a bloke behind me. I didn't know he was watching me. Oh dear. Yep, good flight, but the wind's got too bad now. It's rather choppy up there. I can't risk it. I don't know if you can see it in the trees. Yeah, it's probably only about 15 mile an hour, 20 mile an hour down here, but probably about 40 or 50 at about 500 feet. Sorry, I don't go to 500 feet, 400 feet. Anyway,